Gold failed to hold the buying pressure above the 1950 level and moved down by more than 200 plus with a new high-volume level formation. In the weekly time frame of the gold-USD pair, the current downside momentum comes with a buyer's failure to hold the momentum above the 1950 level. Moreover, the long-term ascending channel worked as a trend continuation possibility as the recent price formed a bearish rejection from the channel resistance. In the daily price, the 1916 level would be crucial as it is the strongest volume level since the July 2023 peak. As the current corrective price action is above this crucial level, investors should wait for a valid bearish breakout before anticipating a stable trend. Based on the current gold-USD outlook, the downside possibility is potent, where the daily price is more likely to follow weekly and monthly directions. However, a bullish recovery with AD1 close above the 1950 level could be the first sign of an upcoming bullish trend.